After downloading the Dine-N-Go app from the App Store, you may access the web app one of two ways. The first option is by opening the Dine-N-Go Assistant app on your Clover device and clicking on the Visit Site button. It is, however, recommended that you finish setup on a computer or tablet's browser. This app must be running in background or label print functionality might be affected. Another way is to access the web app by visiting www.dine-n-go.com. If you are a new user, tap on the New User, which will prompt you to the sign-up page. Enter your first name, last name, organization name, unique identifier, email, and password. Here, the unique identifier is the abbreviation of your organization and will be attached to the end of kiosk and table usernames to convert them into emails. Finally, upload your logo and tap Register. Now, you will be routed to your login page. Enter your email and password and tap on Sign In. This will forward you to the Clover authentication screen. Log into your Clover merchant account and select a merchant, after which you will be rerouted to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see analytics and stats involving sales and order data. This includes useful marketing information such as most sold items, total revenue, top items sold, and much more, and can even be filtered by date. The product also supports multi-language support by clicking on the corresponding language from the language picker in the sidebar menu. Next, let's learn how to add images to items and categories as the Clover device doesn't support it. Doing so allows customers to visually observe and see what they are purchasing. To do so, tap on Settings, click on Categories where you find a list of all your Clover categories. Click on the Update button under the category you want to edit. Enter the image URL or click on the Upload button to upload the image. Click on Update, and this will add an image to your category. Similarly, you may click Delete to delete the associated image. To upload the item image, click on Settings, click on Items. Click Update under the item you want to upload the image to. Add the image URL or upload the file. Now, let's create tables and kiosks. You may do so by clicking on Settings, then Accounts, and then clicking on the plus icon on the top right corner. Enter the table name, username, and password. You can also enable or disable payments. Check whether to create a table, kiosk, or manager user. You may also add a logo image to your accounts to promote your brand. Similarly, you can create other manager table and kiosk accounts. Servers may review and add orders to different tables by clicking the Dining button on the sidebar menu. Here you will find a list of all tables created. You may add tables by going to the Accounts and Profiles tab on the menu. You may click and hold any table for 3 or more seconds to move it. This allows you to rearrange tables in the same layout as your store or restaurant. You may lay out the tables in the layout of your restaurant. Next, click the table to review items ordered for that table. You may add to this table's order by clicking the Add to Order button, selecting the category, adding the items you want to add, select modifiers, add custom messages, and click on the Order button to place an order on the table. The order will be sent to the corresponding kitchen printer with the proper label for printing, as can be seen. When the account is created, the users can log in using the credentials you created. Here, they can place an order by selecting categories, items, and adding them to the cart. You may then review your cart and finalize the order. After placing an order, you may review your tab and pay it by clicking the View tab and Pay button. They can also pay for the order by pressing the Pay button and following the prompts. This payment will only show if the option is enabled by the merchant. There are also games for customers to play as they wait for their orders to be prepared. Similarly, the kiosk users can log in, place the order, and add tips by adding their credit card details if payment is enabled, and be ready for the next kiosk user. And that's it. If you have questions, contact us for further information.